Last week I made $200 in a single day, sitting at home with just my laptop and Wi-Fi. No, it wasn't crypto. No, I didn't sell a course. I used a simple strategy anyone can start with today. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how I did it, step by step. I started by testing a few online income ideas: freelancing, dropshipping, affiliate marketing. Most took weeks to get results. Then I discovered something called micro-digital tasks, short online jobs where you get paid instantly. Things like rewriting articles, summarizing YouTube videos, or generating images using AI tools. Here's what I did. I signed up on Clickworker and Remote Tasks, both legit sites that pay for small projects. I used ChatGPT to speed up writing tasks and Canva to polish visuals. Within a few hours, I had completed 10 small writing and labeling tasks. Each paid between $5 to $20, and by the end of the day, my balance was $204.75. The key wasn't luck, it was efficiency. Here's my formula: choose high-paying tasks first. Use AI tools to speed them up, but always double-check quality. Work in focused 1-hour blocks. No multitasking. Making money online isn't magic. It's a skill. Once you learn how to combine AI tools with real demand, you can start earning fast. If I can make $200 in one day, so can you. Start small, stay consistent, and let the results speak for themselves.